In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can connect a keyboard to your Nintendo Switch. This is also going to work with Switch 2, but before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, yes, you can connect a keyboard to your Switch. Just keep in mind you can't technically use it as a controller for most games. It's mainly used for typing, things like passwords, search bars, and messages. And it is super helpful if you don't want to type with the on-screen keyboard. But essentially, begin by plugging your Nintendo Switch or Switch 2 into the dock. It's going to need to be docked so that you can use the USB ports on the dock. And just grab a wired USB keyboard. It's not going to work with a wireless one. Plug it into one of the USB ports on the dock. There's a bunch of ports on the side and more ports behind the back panel. But once it's plugged in, the keyboard should power on. Wired keyboards do work for sure. Sometimes wireless keyboards may work. However, wired is a more reliable option, so I recommend doing that. And at first it might look like nothing's happening. Don't worry, that is normal. The keyboard mainly works when you're inside a text field. So for example, what you could do is go to the Nintendo eShop just to test it out. Select your profile and then go down to the little like search option right here. As soon as you do that, go ahead and start typing and you'll be good to go. As you can see, I just typed subscribe real quickly. Now, in some menus, you can use the arrow keys to move around as well. You can press enter to select and escape to go back. This obviously makes browsing a lot faster, but that is it. That is how you can connect and use a keyboard here on a Switch 1 or Switch 2. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.